What's up, people? The Geek here with a video on must-have applications for Windows 7. Now, I'll be featuring two applications in this video, and they are not likely in a registry or something. These are the must-haves. So let's get started with the first one. First one is called 7 Stacks. It's a free download at elastria.com, and does, what it says, it adds tags feature to your taskbar. Windows 7 taskbar. It's similar to, Mac OS X style stacks. So let's just see a demo. You'll understand it better. So let's just go ahead and look at the demo. So right here I've created 3 stacks. The first one is a music stack. So let's just click on it and it'll open this kind of stuff. It's called a menu and it's pretty nice. You can just play your song right from here and it's kind of good. The next step right here is I have all of my applications. You might have noticed that my desktop looks perfectly clean, and I have these large icons on my desktop like these. And by the way, just a trick is you can hold Control and use your mouse wheel to adjust the size of the icons on your desktop in Windows 7. Okay. Let's get back to it. And as you can see here, my desktop's pretty clean, and all my applications that I use every day are in here. So I can just click on it, and this will open up beautifully. It's an eye candy, and it makes it look very native to Windows 7, rather than adding a dock and adding them stacks docklet to M, like in Rocket Dock. And it's very, very nice. I really enjoy using this very much. So let's just go ahead and give you a quick overlook of what it's kind of like. By creating just one new, create a new stack. Just search for new, and you can see here it's create a new 7 stack. So let me just create a new stack, and I'll create a new stack for this folder right here, which is called My Files. You can create anything, just a quick demo of how this works. So let me just go ahead and select My Files from the desktop. There you go. And now you can add a caption to it, is like personal stuff, kind of something like that. Personal stuff, let's see. Personal stuff, right? And you can just adjust this tab type. Let me just go ahead and grid. That's kind of nice, And let me just go ahead and adjust this size to 64, because I prefer that, nothing else. You have different kind of settings here. You can adjust this. You can click any vertical, or you can click on the stacks icon, more Mac OS X like. And now once you are done, you can just create a shortcut on desktop. And once you have the shortcut on desktop, you can close this, right click on it, and click on Pin to Taskbar. Now you see I have it right there. I can click on it and this will pop up. So how beautiful is it? It just adds the Mac-like functionality, but it looks so much more native to Windows. It's really nice. So you have this type of things. You have the vertical stack. It's running quite slow because I'm recording as I do these, so not a big deal. Vertical stacks, you have all kind of different things. You can just click on it to get rid of it that way, or you can just go ahead and click on this one to have a menu-like thing, and it's kind of cool. The next one I have here is called 7 Sticky Notes, and it can be downloaded for free from 7stickynotes.com. I know what you might be thinking, like, Windows 7 already has a sticky notes feature, but guess what? This new software adds many new features to it. You can't just resist it. So let's see what it looks like. So here I have the native Windows 7 sticky notes. What I really don't like about it, the first thing, is the links that you paste in are not clickable. You have to copy it and go there, and and it just lags. You can just add a new note. Okay, you just add in there, like, go to stuff, and it will just sit there. You can do anything. You just change the color like that. But what's the big deal about it? Let me show you what 7 Stacks does. So once you've installed it, it would appear in your desktop, and I have pinned that to my taskbar. So just click on it, and you will create a new note now. Or you can just go there and click a new note. So there you have it. Now the first best part is, whenever you start, this gives you the date and the time, which can be further edited. And you can add your own caption, like my first note and stuff like that, It's really cool how it gives the time and the date. And also, let me write, like, I want to go to stuff, the same note. Go to stuff. Okay. I want to go to stuff. Now I want to highlight this, and I can increase the size like that. Go to stuff, I can make it bold, italic, or I can just edit these things like that. You know, I can just strike through, I can underline stuff, and stuff like that. You can also change the style. You can adjust transparency. That's a really cool thing. You can adjust transparency. And you know, you can add themes, you can change colors. There are a couple of colors, like something that's very urgent, you can change that to red and it really pops out of the screen. And you have different kind of colors there. I really love it. And one of the best part I like about this is alarms. You can set alarms, like, you know, you remember something, you gotta do something like this, and you're working on your computer. But at times it happens to me that I forget to do things. So I'll just click on it, and this will bring up an alarm setup screen. You can in 1 hour, you can like that. You can also adjust at the times, and you can repeat it daily or weekly or yearly. You know, if you have the birthday, you know, someone's birthday. So let me just go ahead and create a new alarm. Let me just click it after 5 seconds. Okay, there you go. I have my volume to full, and there I have alarm sound selection box. And okay, it's like 2 of them. First one is bell. It's like something like this. Let me. And this one is alarm clock, which is really very grass. I'm gonna keep it. So I just click on set, and I click on done, and this will add this icon to it, and it's on a restart. Let me wait for 5 seconds, and you'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, I can just click on it and it'll go away. That was really annoying. That's about the alarms. Let me just go ahead and show you another thing. I was just copy this text from this note right here. I copy this, and I'm gonna double click, and I'm gonna paste it right there. And now you can see, that this thing right here is clickable. It's done. So I can just click on it, and this will take me to the website. It's really cool, isn't it? So just get rid of this, and I'll just get down and get rid of this. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you like and enjoyed the video and want to see more like these, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, we'll leave them below, and I'll have all the links in the info box. And please don't forget to like the video too.